Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to align your Ford F250 using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a reliable tape measure, a set of wrenches, and a sturdy jack. It's crucial to ensure your truck is parked on a perfectly level surface. Also, take a moment to check that your tire pressure is set to the manufacturer's recommended specifications for accurate measurements. Now, let's get precise with our measurements. Begin by marking the exact center of both front tires, ensuring your marks are at the same height from the ground. Next, measure the distance between these marks at the very front of the tires. Then, carefully roll your truck forward exactly 180 degrees or half a wheel rotation and measure the distance between the marks at the rear of the tires. This gives us our toe-in. With your toe-in measurements in hand, it's time for adjustments. First, locate and loosen the tie rod jam nuts on both the driver's and passenger's sides of your F250. Then, you can rotate the tie rod sleeves to either increase or decrease the toe-in. Your goal is to achieve a toe-in measurement of approximately 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. This small adjustment makes a big difference in handling. Once you've achieved your desired toe-in, it's crucial to securely tighten all the tie rod jam nuts. Double-check everything to ensure nothing has shifted. Now, take your Ford F250 for a short test drive. Pay close attention to how it tracks and steers. If your truck pulls, or if you're not completely satisfied, it's always a good idea to consult a professional for a more precise alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.